The suffix IVE creates adjectives that describe qualities, states, or tendencies of something. Words like active, creative, expensive, attractive, and effective all end with IVE. These adjectives help us describe how people, things, or actions are in a specific way. Active means full of energy and movement. Creative describes someone who can think of new ideas and express themselves imaginatively. Expensive refers to things that cost a lot of money. These three words are some of the most common IVE adjectives you will hear every day. The suffix IVE means having the nature, quality, or tendency of something. It shows inclination toward or possession of a particular characteristic. When you see IVE at the end of a word, it usually describes a quality or state of being. Attractive means pleasing to look at or interesting. Effective describes something that produces the desired results. Attentive means paying close attention to someone or something. Productive refers to achieving good results or being efficient. Imaginative means having a lot of imagination or creative ideas. Sensitive describes someone who feels emotions deeply or reacts strongly. Talkative refers to people who like to talk a lot. Decisive means able to make decisions quickly. Expressive shows feelings clearly. Inventive describes creative problem-solving. Creative, we already know, means having good imagination. Narrative describes something related to storytelling. Preventive means stopping something before it happens. Relative refers to things that depend on circumstances. Sensitive means easily affected. Subjective describes personal opinions rather than facts. Active, she leads an active lifestyle, meaning she stays busy and energetic. Creative, his creative ideas won the contest, showing his imagination helped him succeed. Notice how the IVE suffix describes qualities and tendencies in these sentences. Expensive, this watch is very expensive, meaning it costs a lot of money. Productive, morning meetings are productive, meaning they achieve good results. Practice using 3 IVE words in your next conversation to remember them better.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.